Hello, my name is Viateri. I'm going to help you in trigonometry, to study trigonometry. Trigonometry as the part of mathematics which study the relationship between the angle and the sides of a right angled triangle. We are going to just focus on a right angled triangle. On the right angled triangle is just the triangle which have a 90 degree, as you know. And for these cases, we have three important sides. The three important sides of a right angled triangle. The first is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angled triangle. It is the longest side of a right angled triangle. And also we have another side which is called adjacent side. The adjacent side is the side that the angle lies. The adjacent side is the side that the angle lies. And also we have another important side of a right triangle which is called opposite side. Opposite side is the side that the angle faces. The side that the angle faces is called the opposite side. You can see if you try to draw a right angled triangle, you can then take theta, angle theta, and the sides that the angle faces, we have seen that it is called the opposite side. It is the opposite side. And the side that the angle lies, it is just called the adjacent side. And if you observe our triangle, the longest side, it is the hypotenuse. So after knowing how to name the sides of a right triangle, there is six possible ratios that can be obtained from those sides of a right angled triangle, and this will give us the 6 trigonometric functions. And 6 trigonometric functions are subdivided into 2 parts. There is fundamental trigonometric function and the derived trigonometric function. In fundamental trigonometric function, you find their sine, find cosine, and you find the tangent. And for the side of derived trigonometric function, you will find their secant, cosecant, and the cotangent. And if you take all of them, fundamental trigonometric function and derived trig functions are the trigonometric function, and in number there are 6 trigonometric functions. So next time we shall see the way you can use those 6 trigonometric functions in case you are solving a trigonometric equations and in trigonometric identities. Thank you.